This one's Horace and the Spiders. Da, 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 da. So, how does this one work? Horace is engaged in a hunt to rid the spider mountains of the deadly octopads which inhabit them. He sets out with 4 phials of serum which protect him from fatal bites, but when he has used them, he must give up the hunt. His task is in 3 stages. He must climb the hills to reach the mountain, he must cross the spider bridge, and finally he must kill the spiders in the cave. Horace must survive each of these stages in order to pass on to the next. If he succeeds in killing all the spiders, he returns to the first stage and is faced with steeper hills and more spiders. QZIP and a stamp key. Horace must climb the hills, jumping up to get to the next level whilst avoiding the spiders. Jump over them. Pressing the Q makes Horace jump, and running jumps can be produced by pressing the Q whilst the P is depressed. Okay? If he falls, he will break one of his phials of spider serum. So jump whilst avoiding the spiders. To cross the spider bridge, Horace must grab hold of a spider shred by pressing the Q key and swinging from shred to shred until he reaches the other side. We'll try to reel him in, so he must be fast. When he reaches the other side, pressing Z will make Horace jump down. You said that... Okay. When he reaches the cave, he finds it full of spiders busily mending a giant web. Move around the web and make holes in it by stamping. Why do I want to stamp in it? Until it gives way. Ah, you stamp on them. Okay. Oh, bad idea, bad idea. Oh, I see! Apologies. Right. Huh? If the spider... Until they drop into the web below, but they will not die if there is another hole beneath them to hang in. So you have to make a hole all the way down? Like that. Spider falls in hole, stamped several times on spider. I appreciate the idiot's guide to Horace and the spiders. Like that? What? Ah, got it. Okay. I see now. There's a lack of spiders? Oh. I feel like this needs another go. Who designed the keyboard controls for this? There we go. Nope. Now. Now. Z. 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 Okay. I have made a cunning spider trap. They will come to me, right? Oh dear. There is a flaw. I can't reach the spiders, and the spiders can't reach me. I feel like we've reached an impasse. Come on, spiders. Because he can't jump? No, he doesn't jump from this screen. Well, I thought I developed the perfect spider trap using myself as bait. Unfortunately, the spiders won't come near me. too perfect a spider trap? And no way to get over to them? I'm quite sad about that. I'm going to call this mildly flawed.